Hi friends, today we will be learning one of the subtopics supply. What by supply? It means the total quantity that the seller is ready and able to sell. The seller or the firm should be ready to sell and must be able to sell at different prices at particular period of time, so that how much the seller or the firms are ready to sell and able to sell at different price level is called supply. The seller sometimes may be having a stock of a product, but he is not ready to sell. He will keep the stock in his godown. Then it is called as supply. No, the seller should be ready to sell at different price level. So how much is ready to sell at different price level and able to sell is called as supply. What are the factors affecting the supply? The first one is price. The supply of the product depends on the price of the product. If the price is more, supply is also more. If the price is less, supply is also less. Why? When the price is more, seller is ready to sell more because he gets more profit. And when the price is less, seller supply less because he gets less profit. So the supply of the product depends on price. So there is a positive relationship between price and supply. Price and supply moves in the same direction. When the price is more, supply is more. When the price is less, supply is less. So the supply of the product depends on what? Which price? Own price of a commodity. Then the second factor, it depends on the price of related goods. Here substitute. What by substitute? The goods which are demanded in place of each other are called as substitute. So it depends on the price of substitute. So that is tea, for example. Tea, coffee is an example of substitute. For example, a firm selling tea will not supply more when the price of the coffee rises. Suppose the price of the coffee is more. The seller selling the tea will not supply more. He is waiting for the price to rise. Follow now? So one price of one substitute increases, the other substitute supply will not be more. Seller will not ready to sell more. So he will wait for that is the price to rise more. Even though at the existing same price, the seller is not ready to sell. The supply of the product will reduce even though the price is same. So the price, that is the supply of the product, depends on not only the price of that particular product, it depends on price of substitutes also. Then the third one, number of firms. In the industry. So how many firms are there in the industry? So if the number of firms in the industry is more, supply is also more. More firm, more production. For example, that is the sugar. So many sugar factories are there. Individually they are called as a firm, together they are called as the industry. So that is the supply of sugar depends on the number of firms in the industry, sugar industry. If the number of firms increases, supply also increases. If the number of firms decreases, supply also decreases. So it depends on how many factories are there in the industry. So this is the third one. The fourth one, goal of the firm. Aim or goal of the firm. Suppose the goal of the firm is to earn profit, then supply will be more when the price is more, because the aim is to earn profit. When the price is more, they will get more profit. When the price of the product is more, the supply is more. And when the price of the product is less, supply is less. If the goal of the firm is to increase or maximize sale, then same price more and more is supplied. Whether the price will not change, the supply goes on increasing because they want to sell more, maximize the sale. So that is what is the aim or goal of the firm. That it depends on, supply depends on the goal of the firm. If the goal of the firm is to earn profit, supply is more when the price is more. If the goal of the firm is to increase the sale, the supply is more even at the same price. So this is one more factor. Then it depends on price of factors of production. Price of factors of production. What are the factors of production? Land, labor, capital and organization. If you add the price of factors of production, you will get the price of the product. So that is the supply of the product depends on price of factors of production. Suppose the wage rate is more, workers demand more wages, automatically the price of the product will increase, but the seller will not get more benefit, so the supply will decrease. That is, it depends on the price of factors of production. If the price increases due to rise in the price of the factors of production, the seller will not get any benefit. So if the price of the factors of production fall, seller will get more profit. So you will supply more. It depends on what? It depends on the price of labor, price of capital, price of land. It depends on rent, wages, interest. So if there is a change in this, automatically there will be change in supply of the product. Then the next one, state of technology. The supply of the product depends on the state of technology, the method that is used to produce the goods. If the old method is used, automatically the supply will be less. If the new technique of production is used, that even the same price more is supplied because seller gets more profit due to reduction in the cost of production. The production is more and cost is less, so there is a less cost of production. Price is same, but if the seller or firm get more profit. So it depends on the technique that is used to produce the good state of technology. Then it depends on government policy with regard to tax and subsidies. If the tax is more, automatically the price of the product will increase. When the tax is more, tax rate is more, price will increase, but the seller will not get any extra profit due to rise in price because he has to pay the tax to the government. So he will not get any additional profit. So even the price is more, supply will not be more. Suppose if the government gives the subsidy to the seller, even though the price of the product is less, supply is more because they get the money from the government. So it depends on the government policy with regard to the tax and subsidy. This is all about the factors affecting the supply.